In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate a dumbbell bench press. Now, this exercise activates the medial part of the chest and also the triceps. Now, the first thing you need is a flat bench and also a pair of dumbbells. Now, when doing this exercise, first thing you want to do is go ahead and lay down onto the bench. Now, when laying down onto the bench, make sure your feet is on the ground so you have more stability when performing the exercise, and also want to make sure when you're doing the exercise you have a small curvature in the lower and medial part of the back, because this is going to help activate more of the chest when doing this exercise. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, pick up my dumbbells, come back like that, and when it comes to my elbow position, I want to have my elbows to a 45-degree angle, okay? This is going to activate more of the chest. If I have my elbows too far out like this and then perform the exercise, I'm going to create a lot of pressure on the anterior delts. So make sure your elbows are at least 45-degree angle away from the body. Now, when doing this exercise, I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way up. This is how you do a dumbbell bench press.